Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to change deck cover in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket. So, customizing your deck cover in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket adds a personal touch to your collection and helps you quickly identify your favorite decks. I have a detailed guide on how to change your deck cover's art. So, the first step is opening the Pokemon TCG Live Pocket app. Launch the app, then from the main menu, select the Deck Builder or Deck Manager option. Now, you'll have to select the deck you want to customize. So, browse your saved decks from the list and tap on the deck whose cover you want to change. Now, edit the deck details. Locate the cover art option, look for the cover customization or settings icon in the deck menu. This is usually represented by a pencil or edit icon or under deck details. Now, select the card or artwork you want as your deck's cover. Some options may include featured Pokemon in the deck, custom artwork provided by the game, or default designs. Now, you'll have to save your changes. Confirm the selection. Once you have chosen the new cover, tap Save or Confirm. Then, your updated deck cover will now be visible in the deck manager. So, changing your deck cover in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket is a fun way to personalize your gameplay. Follow these steps to make your decks stand out. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.